have a Honda CRV between 2012 and 2016. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery, alright? So you don't come here and ask me to do it. I mean, I'd be glad to do it though, but it's better if I show you how to do it, alright? Before I jump into the action, support the channel. You know how to do that. Smash the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box, okay? You want to hate, put in the comment box. You want to love, put in the comment box. You have questions, put in the comment box. Anything, put in the comment box. Know what I'm saying? The other way you can support the channel is over here, is the super thanks. Click on that, go through it. You see what's up. You know what time it is. Show your love, support the channel. Show your appreciation for the channel. I'm trying to get this battery. I don't want to hurt my hands. So, okay. Other than that, shout outs to everybody in the building, even the haters. I love you. Pause. Psych. Everybody in the building, okay? From Peru to Japan, alright? You know, the States, Canada, Greenland, Turkey, Russia, Croatia, Austria, UK, India, Philippines, Taiwan, China, everybody in the building. I'm not gonna hold you up. Come with me. I'll show you how to walk. I'll show you how to do the how to replace this battery. Right? There's two types of battery. This one's gonna take. We're gonna use the interstate battery, the MT51R B. Hold on, lights. See, the one right there, MT51R. That's the CC500. MT51R, right? And then, let's say today is May 31st, 2022. You see this? Here you're gonna mark May, and then the year 23. Right? This sticker also tells you how you can. No, here is a. Yeah, you can do the. You can do the year 23. It's okay though. But here's that's why we have this sticker. You can put it here. So whoever checked the when the battery goes bad, we're gonna check this and we're gonna be like, oh okay. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get Axtuo Buru. Show you how to do it. Come with me. Come with daddy, alright? I don't wanna drop this battery. Come on. Yeah. Okay. I got you. Cool. Way better? Way better. Alright. The car is running right now, okay? The car is running right now. I'm gonna do it while the car is running. You know why? So you don't have to input the code for the radio, and you don't have to set up your clock again, the time, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, car is running right now. What I'm gonna do first is lift these guys, okay? Just like that, be careful. There's a little wire here. Let me get you closer, bro. Let me get you closer to the action, right? We're gonna do this. 10mm, alright? I think one is enough, I think. I checked the battery. Somehow it says it's good. I checked the battery twice, different ways, with a scanner and with a straight to the battery, connect to the straight to the battery. Okay, and both ways told me that the battery is good, it's healthy, but I mean, when it's time to go, time to go. You're gonna need this guy if you don't want to get crazy with your own hands. Do it fast. Come here. Side. Clamp. Plastic. So it was a plastic. Okay. Put the new battery in. Accommodate the battery. There's two types of battery, okay? This is negative side, this is ground. This type obviously has the ground on this side. Then the other kind has the positive on this side. Okay, just gonna transfer this. You kind of want to do it on a fast pace because you don't want the car to die on you. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Tied it. Make sure it's tight. Now we're gonna put the this guy back. That's it. That's how you replace one of these babies. But like I was saying, there's two types of a 51, MT51, right? This is MT51R. The other MT51, you see the positive? The other 51 has the positive on this side. So if you connect, if you bring the other battery and connect the power to the ground, you're gonna blow the fuse. Okay, so be careful with that. All right, remember this, I can't stress it enough. Get the right battery. Okay, get the right battery. If in the previous battery you have the power here, which is a positive signal, positive side, positive pole, positive terminal, get the same battery with the positive terminal, positive post, whatever, on the same side. Okay, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, I hope you have fun learning how to replace a battery in this 2012 Honda CRV. All right. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box. If you want to hate, put in the comment box. If you want to show your love, over here there's a super tense button. Click on that, go through it, play with it. You'll see what's up with that. All right. Show your love, show your contribution, give your contribution. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to everybody in the building. Shout outs to from Japan to Peru. You know what I'm saying? Brazil, Colombia, Argentina, the States, Canada, Greenland, India, Turkey, Russia, Romania, Philippines, Taiwan, everybody in the building. All right. Yeah, subscribe to the button, like, and the other thing is that I'm gonna make a video, because it's time that I make a video of my reaction to your comments. Okay, so look for that. All right, it's coming up. Oh, when you subscribe, hit the bell too, so every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. I'm gonna make a video of again the reaction of your comments. Okay, I'm gonna answer questions too, and that's pretty much it. Alright, catch you in the next one. This is Subaru Wakawa. See ya, take care. Clacking out. Yeah.
Very important.